Hello students, again I am here to introduce you with a new very important microbiology mobile app. So students, all of you are always in search of a good notes regarding our subject. So here I am introducing a new microbiology mobile app which will be very useful to all of you students, that may be from BSc microbiology, MSc microbiology, or those students who are preparing for CSIR, NET, JRF exam, those preparing for state level, that is SLATE exam, or preparing for MSc entrance exams, or maybe preparing for other competitive life sciences exams, including DBT, JRF. So, before starting up information about this video or about this app, so I would like to say you to watch this full video, because after watching this full video, you will get information regarding this microbiology mobile app, and you will also know what is included in this app here. So it will better to watch this video fully. And again I would like to say one more thing here. If you have not subscribed this microbiology by Santosh Napte, so kindly subscribe this channel so that you will get notifications of upcoming videos. So let's start information or introduction about this new mobile app. So that will include the notes for microbiology students here. So here this is the mobile app, and as like of other your apps, here you can download this app from your Play Store. So after downloading this app here, now when you will click on this app, so there is a different options are here, which includes dashboard. Then later on there is a this study is there and practice is there. So this is the app which includes notes, and at the same time there is a practice or practice questions for practice are also here. So it is a very useful app. So when you will click on this study option, so there is a so many topics are included here. Now there are some topics are here which are locked. Actually this is the free version here, and these points, for example this biochemistry of the genome, mechanisms of microbial genetics, that will be open after that new version. So it includes large number of topics here, and at the end of this here at the lower bottom there is a few topics are also there, which includes fundamentals of physics and chemistry, which are important to microbiology students here. Then mathematical basis is also there, metabolic pathways are there, then taxonomy of clinically relevant microorganisms, and at the end there is a glossary is also there. So when you will click on this glossary, actually this app consists of the ads. So there is a glossary is also there. See, these are the very important things included in this mobile app here. So because these concepts, you must know all these concepts here. So what is meant by, for example, ciliated epithelial cells, what is meant by cisternae, what is citric acid cycle. So all these things are given in few lines. So that will be very important or very useful to understand the basic concept of this microbiology. So after that, when you will click on this metabolic pathways, so there is a pathways will be opens here. See, these are the metabolic pathways. See, these include glycolysis, then later on Entner-Dundorf pathway, then pentose phosphate pathway, TCA cycle. So all these pathways are included here. So that will be also useful for your study. Then later on this glossary, then mathematical basis is also there. क्या आप जानते हैं कि अब आप डाउटनट पर आए students here. So it includes the ads. So this is, see, squares and other powers. So these basic concepts are also included here. And when you will click on this, for example, on the eukaryotes of microbiology, so there is a again subtopics are also here. That is introduction, unicellular eukaryotic parasites, parasitic elements, fungi, algae, lichens. So when you will click on fungi, for example, so there is again lessons and practice will be included here. So these are the lessons here. So these are the lessons from this subtopics. There are so many notes are here, and at the end of that notes there is a practice session is also there, and that key concepts and summary is also here. So this will be very useful to all students here, and then later on there is the practice session is also there. See here, this is the practice session. So start assessment. So after clicking on that assessment, there is a questions will be there, and you can move to the next question by clicking on the next button. Okay, so this is about the introduction, and later on there is a practice session is here. So it includes the practice regarding that all topics here or study material. So for example, if you have to want to take the practice questions from, for example, microbial metabolism, so there will be, again you have to click on the start assessment, and that test will be start here. So there are total 29 MCQs are here, and these MCQs, this will be very useful for your exam preparation, whatever that type of exam. So you can jump to the next question here by clicking on the next button. See here, like this, there is the MCQs are there, and in this way, so I think this app will be very useful to all students that may be preparing for regular BSc or MSc, or they may be preparing for CSIR, NET, JRF exams or other competitive exams in life sciences or related to microbiology. So just download this app. It should be in your mobile, like that WhatsApp or Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. So it will be very useful for your preparation of exam or competitive exams. So thank you for watching.